Hi there, my name's Anna, and today I'm going to tell you how you can install Motive Ecommerce Search on your Prestashop website. So let's go ahead. It's really easy. The first steps are literally to just sign up. So as you would expect, you can go onto our website at motive.co, and it's really easy to sign up for your free trial there. Just put in your name and your email address, and then click on Create Accounts. Once you've done that, you have to confirm your email address. So go to email, you'll have a little notification from us, click on validate, and you'll be able to just go ahead very easily, very quickly and log back in. So then you could just tell us a bit more about you. Tell us about your company, roughly what it is that you guys focus on. We've got some categories here like fashion and jewelry, for example, and then you can set it up. So select your website platform. Obviously, this time it's Prestashop. And then you'll be able to get the module. So once you click on go to the next step, it will take you to a screen that you should save for later. And the reason is because when you're on your Prestashop dashboard, you can then look for your modules, click on Motive there. You'll see it's the first one, the only one that comes up, and then click on Configure, that left-hand button. And then you can see that you've got a little key, a token. So this is why I said it's important to keep that window open, because you can copy and paste that key in and then put your URL so that everything can match up nicely. And what we start to do then is attract your catalog, just processing your website catalog so everything's nicely linked with the search. Then you'll go onto your playboards where you can enable the search trigger. For me, this is where it starts getting quite fun. But the first thing is you have to put in that CSS selector. That's really important so that everything matches up nicely with your search. And it's easy to get the CSS selector. Just right click on inspect, and then you'll be able to see quite quickly within your code in elements which one is your CSS selector, because you'll be able to see as well that it highlights your search on your website itself. Once you copy it, you'll see it's normally something like search, search block in this case, to save it and then enable that toggle. And then there you go. Sure enough, it's all nicely up and working. You'll be able to customize this all yourself via your playboard if you want different colors, different fonts. And of course, please feel really comfortable to get in contact with the team. We're really happy to help, and we want to make sure that you're loving your Motive trial as much as possible. So feel free to reach out.